Okay, so hi guys. All right, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, if you are a new member, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share my this thing. Okay, then if you are a returning viewer, so welcome back. All right, I love you all. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show us in a simple way how to change your Facebook page name. Okay, if you already have a Facebook page and you want to change the name, maybe because of brand, you want to change the brand of your business, okay, or your business have changed and you want to change your Facebook name, so that Facebook page name, so that it will tally with your brand. Okay, so watch the simple step on how to do that. All right, you already have a page but you want to change the name to something else. Okay, so see how to do that. First of all, open your Facebook app. Okay, all right, then you click by the left side, click under your profile piece. No, sorry, by the right side, you see that place that your name is, that your profile piece is, by the right side up there. Okay, click on it. All right, then click on settings and privacy. Okay, click on it. All right, click on settings again. All right, then can you see your page up there, the first option, page settings? Okay, click on it. All right, can you see your name there, the first option, name, before you now see privacy? Okay, click on that name. Can you see there, the first option? Click on it. It says, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. All right, so if you change your name now, it will take you 60 days to change it again, which is like 2 months, right, to change it again. All right, so you click you clean up this name, your previous name, then enter the new one. All right, after entering the new one, you click on review change. Okay, Facebook will now start reviewing your request. So if it matches, they will now approve it. They will send you a notification on your Facebook notification section that your name has been approved. Okay, so make sure you are not impersonating another person, because if they found out, they will ban you. All right, so that's how to do that. So after typing in your new name, you click on review change. Okay, Facebook will now start reviewing your name. If they accept it, they will send you an approval notification. All right, so that's how to do. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and comment, and also subscribe. Okay, because I will be bringing in hot topics. All right, bye.